Wow, kids, I'm gonna open this. Oh, Mama said. Oh. Wow. Lunch kids, yay!
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my journey. This is trying to price egg.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
Open it, Mom.
Alright, let's do it. Yeah, awesome.
Let's open it.
I wonder what's inside. Oh.
Wow, I want to go this. Wow.
Awesome.
This is why it's so cool.
Oh,
This is why it's special.
that is super cool. Oh man, that's awesome.
Wow. This is a mystery flavor. Look, there's submarine on its gold.
Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the packet first. Okay, so tell me who they are.
Submarine wine?
Yes,
What is this wine?
I'll read it. It says,
Astronaut wine?
looks like a national, but let me read it first. It says Cosmo Ryan.
Cosmo wine?
And then you know the one, that one, you know
White
that.
Titan?
Yep.
What is this?
Well, you know.
don't know.
Look what uniform. It is Carl.
Karate wine.
That's right.
This is
It's Karate Ryan. And then, which is this one?
pirate wine?
Yeah, Captain Ryan. This one?
Robo wine?
That's right. This is.
Wine?
That's right. Who's this one?
Beta wine?
Let me see. Yeah, it is Builder Ryan. You're right.
Race wine?
Yeah,
Car wine?
you're right.
Pirate wine?
Yeah, Pilot Ryan.
What is him? Racer wine?
Daredevil Ryan.
Daredevil wine?
Who's that?
Combo bunga.
Combo Panda.
Yeah. I hope it is. Look. Wow, kids, we got alien one. And it's Boo Boo. This is his spaceship.
That's awesome. Are you gonna let him fly around? Cool. Does he stay on?
Yeah, potion.
There we go.
Now, do mystery sushi.
That's pretty cool.
Now let's do mystery sushi. How can I not open it?
Okay. I wonder what's inside. What do you think?
I hope it will be combo. Because you don't have combo yet.
No, we don't. Oh, popped out. What is inside? We don't know.
Red Titan.
Yeah, you got two. So now they can be clones and they can be like twins. They can play. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Alright, put him next. That's cool, they're talking. Red Titan Ryan and Alien Ryan are talking.
This is Ryan. This is alien Ryan.
Okay, so we're gonna open this Ryan's World Mystery Putty. I wonder what you're gonna get. Mystic Purple.
This is the wine from us.
Awesome! That's cool. Now you know who you can be. Who can you be? Yes! Super cool.
Yeah. Red. Oh,
Yeah, it does have the lightning bolt on it. That's super cool.
Red cactus.
Whoa!
Green.
Awesome! Whoa! That's super slimy. Don't let it fall on the carpet or else it's gonna get hairy and scary.
Yeah. And
Let me feel it. Ew, slimy! That was very gooey and slimy. It feels so slimy. I don't know if you can see. But oh, look, you can see that glittery wet slime on me. Like a snail.
Wow. I don't keep on.
Alien Ryan. But then he's gonna get all slimy, and so is his spaceship. Is that the last one? Ooh. This one says Ryan's World Mystery Figure. So another mystery figure with accessory. Okay, Ryan, let's see what surprise you have in store for us.
This is axe.
You got an axe. To chop.
Chop you? To chop you?
No, to chop wood. I think that one's my favorite.
I'm alien Ryan. Chip. That was my gun. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.